Creating long videos with AI is very easy. In fact, it's very simple if you have the right key. And the right key is just to get a prompt. If you get a prompt, you can create a long video, 1 minute video, 10-minute video, 30-minute video with AI. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method how you can create long videos with AI. Videos like this.
We must choose. If it will use now, then it is decided.
Now, you see the type of video you just watched right now. I create those type of videos in less than 10 minutes. You can create long video in less than 10 minutes. All you need is just the right prompt. If you check my previous videos here, all these videos you are seeing right here, which I teach you step by step on how you can create long videos, is very easy. But for those of you coming to my channel for the first time and asking me to teach them how they can create long videos with AI, in this video I'm going to put you through, guys, step-by-step method how you can create long videos with AI. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let me take you guys to my laptop screen and show you how you can create long videos with your smartphone or with your laptop using AI. Don't forget, if you are watching on Facebook, please, I want you to put your phone on landscape so that you are going to understand the tutorial. But if you are watching from YouTube, you can keep watching like this. Now, let's get started. So guys, let's try and create a new African folktale story together using ChatGPT and Grok AI. We are going to use ChatGPT to generate our prompt and we'll use Grok AI to generate our video. Now, this is what I want us to give to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. I will say, I want you to write me short story of African man that rule a kingdom for 100 years. 100 years. 100 years. Now, this is it. This is what I'll give to ChatGPT and see ChatGPT to write us this full story. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how you can make this story to become a full video. So let's it write the story for us. Now this is the story. So let's say I will now the next thing I will tell ChatGPT, I will say I want to make African folktale story video with this. So write me full video script. I'm taking it step by step so that you guys are going to understand it. So that if you want to generate your video, you know how you are going to do it. So that you can be doing it gradually, step by step. So as you can see, it's writing everything for me. It's writing everything. Let's wait for it to complete writing everything. And I'm going to show you the next step you are going to follow. So that you are going to know how you are going to do it step by step by yourself. Because if you do not follow it step by step, you may have some mistakes. So let's give it some time. My network is very poor, that is why it's delaying, but it will write it. Right now it's in scene 8. My network is very poor, but let's wait for it to load. Let's read the previous one that you have write. My network is very poor. Now it has complete everything. So the next thing we are going to do, the next thing I'm going to tell ChatGPT now, I will say give me a master image prompt to use and generate the first image I will use on Grok AI to generate the full video, and also scene by scene prompt to generate the full video, and let each scene end with the start up of new scene. Hope you guys see what I'm writing, because I want to be extend the video 6 seconds each to complete the full video. Hope you guys are following. I want you guys to get everything, so that I'm taking it step by step gradually, so that you guys are going to understand. Let's click on generate and see what ChatGPT is going to give to us, because if I rush it, most of you will not understand. But if we take it step by step like this, a lot of you are going to benefit from the video. But if you want to rush things, if you rush it, you may miss some part. So let's wait for it to complete. It's still generating it. So this is our master prompt. So this is the image, the master prompt image we are going to use. We are going to use only this image to generate our full video. So now, as you can see, first image, Now, first image option, as you can see, this is the first image. Now, from the first image, as you can see, each prompt is designed for 6 seconds and end by introducing the next scene. So, as you can see, now, the kingdom of Zambara with Zambara, a wide cinematic aerial view of kingdom of Zambara at sunset. Golden sun. This is the first prompt we are going to get for our image video. This is the second one. This is the third one. Sorry, my network is very poor. It has not generated. Click on wait. Let it complete generate everything. My network is my network. I'm using Glow, and Glow sometimes on my area here the network is very poor. But let's give it some minutes. Let's give it some minutes. Wait, it's telling me the network is very poor, so it's generating it again. So as you can see, still generating. It's my network. Oh. It's my network that is delaying everything. So don't worry, it's going to generate it. So it's generating it. It has generated about 10 scenes for us. So let me try and show you how you are going to generate video with this. The first thing you have to do is just to move up here, and let's go to Grok AI. Wait, before we continue this video, I know you enjoyed the tutorial, but have you followed this channel? Have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go back to our video. Click on plus icon here. Sorry, ChatGPT. Yes, Grok AI. We click on Grok. So you can download Grok on your phone or your laptop. You can use your phone to do this. All these things that I'm doing, you can use your phone to do it. You click on Grok. So if you are using your phone, all you just have to do is just to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you download Grok AI app. And after you download the app, you install it, you register if you have not registered. But if you have been using Grok before, just follow the method I'm going to show you right now. Make sure you keep watching to this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. If you do not subscribe, anytime I drop videos like this, you will not see the videos. So make sure you subscribe so that you will be watching our latest videos. Anytime we drop new video, you'll be among of the people to watch those videos. So let's give it this thing some minutes. Sorry, if I know my network will be very poor, I will not have made this video because the way this network is frustrating me now, I don't like it. But so you guys, please, you guys should be patient with me. Please, you guys should be patient. It is the network. It's the network that is delaying everything. If the network is full, it will not be delaying like this. So please, I'm sorry for that. Let's give it some minutes and it's going to complete. It's just that my network is very poor this morning. I don't know why. But let's give it some minutes and it's going to continue, complete everything. Now it has opened. You guys can see it has opened. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on imagine here. And when you click on imagine, you put it on imagine. Then the next thing you are going to do, you go to ChatGPT, you go back to ChatGPT. So we are going to copy our image from the first image prompt. This is the image I want us to use. After we copy this image, let's copy it again. After we copy, we click on copy. Then we'll go back to Grok AI and we are going to paste it here. We are going to put it on create image. Then we paste it here. After pasting it, no, sorry, we'll go back again. I mistakenly click somewhere. We paste our prompt here. Then after we paste our prompt, then the next thing we are going to do is to select our aspect ratio here. So if you are using it for your TikTok, for your Facebook, you select 9.16. But if you are using it for maybe YouTube, you select 16.9. As you can see, 16.9 here. So I want us to create a YouTube video with it in TikTok video. So let's put it here, 9.16. Then the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. So we are generating our image, and this image is the image we are going to use to generate our full video. So let's wait for it to complete. Sorry, it seems like it's not generating. Let me do it again. Click on paste, and we click on generate. What is happening? Or is it my network? I don't know what is happening. It's supposed to be generating the image. Click on generate. Okay, it's generating the image already. It's generating the image. This is the image it's generating. So let's wait for the image to load. So let's wait for it. It's my network. My network is very poor. My network is very poor. That is why. So let's wait for it to complete. Now this is our first. I wanted to generate the image. It did not generate. So I went ahead and generate the video direct. So this is the first one here. As you can see, this is the first one here. So the next thing we are going to do right now, we are going to post it. We click. Sorry. I'll click on post here. Then the next thing we are going to do is to extend this. And to extend this video, the next thing we are going to do, let's go to ChatGPT before. Let's go to ChatGPT, and coming to ChatGPT, I'm going to copy our first scene here. After copying it, I will go back to group in this AI again. I'll click on this three dot here, and I'll click on extend video. Now, after clicking on extend video, let's wait for it. We move this to the end. As you can see, we move this to the end. After you click on extend video, you move this arrow to the end. That is to extend this video by 6 seconds. The first one it generated for us before was 6 seconds. Then we extend it to by 6 seconds again. Now we are going to paste our prompt here. The prompt for the next video, we paste it here, and we click on generate. Now it's generating another scene again. Now it has generated 6 seconds before. Now it's generating another 6 seconds again. So hope you guys are getting it. Now we'll be getting 12-second video. So this is the method we are going to be using, and we are going to generate the full video. Yes, we are going to generate the full video with just a single prompt. With just a single prompt, we will be generating it. So let's wait for it to complete. Now after it completes, I'm going to show you the video so that you are going to see for how many seconds it has generated the video. You guys have seen it very small. That is because I'm using my laptop. If I thought I'm using my phone, you are going to see everything very so far I'm using 16.9.16, or what is it even called for TikTok. That is why the video is very small, but you guys are going to see it very big on if you are using phone. So let's wait for it to complete extension. Now as you can see, it has completed the video, but my network, I told you guys my network is very poor. That is why. So now as you can see, the video is up to 12 seconds. Sorry. And this is the result. As you can see, this is up to 12 seconds. Now as you can see, this is up to 12 seconds. As you can see, now the next thing we are going to do is to click here again. We click on the three dots again, but before that, let's go and copy our prompt. The second prompt, as you can see, the second one here, we copy it to this place. We copy. After we copy, we go back to group AI again. We are going to click on that three dots again. Then we click on extend. Then this time we are extending it plus another 6 seconds, from 12 seconds to another 6 seconds. Then we are going to paste the here, the prompt will just copy right now. We paste our prompt, and after we paste our prompt, we click on generate. So this is how you are going to be doing it, to be extending it. You are going to be extending it. You are going to be extending it. All you just need just to copy the prompt from ChatGPT, and you click on extend. You extend it with 6 seconds. You click on extend. You extend it with 6 seconds. So this is how you are going to do, and you create the full video. Now, after we create this video, note that this video will not carry the narration. That is what the person will be saying. I'm going to show you how you are going to do that right now. So to do that, all you need to do is to go back to ChatGPT. We go back to ChatGPT, and this time I will tell ChatGPT, write out the narrative, the full. Let's put full. Then we click on generate. Now it's going to write out only the narrative, and I'm going to use a free AI tool to generate our voiceover. That voiceover is what we are going to use on the video. So now it's writing it. As you can see, this is the full script, the full narration. The kingdom who ruled for 100, the king who ruled for 100 years. So it's writing it. I told you guys my network is very poor, so you guys have to be patient with it. So let's wait for it. I forgot to put, let me edit this. I need to edit it. Let me edit this. Let me add something here. Sorry, the network is very poor. I could have add something that I said I will add something like make it 6 seconds each scene to match the video. I could have add it there so that it's going to give it space. It's going to give it space so that it will not talk very fast. But you can also set that after it generates the voiceover. You can also set that. So it's generating the voiceover. It's generating it for us already. So let's give it some minutes. Let's click on wait. Now it has generated everything. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to Google again. On Google, we are going to search for this AI. It is called Google Studio. We search for Google Studio. So we are going to use Google Studio to generate our voiceover. It's a free AI tool, and they have good sound. They have different type of good voiceover sound. So we are going to be using it. If you have been following my channel, I've made video about that before. So we need to use Google Studio to generate our voiceover. So let's give it some minutes, and it's going to generate. And we are going to get the Google Studio to generate our voiceover for us. Let's give it some minutes. I told you guys my network is very poor, so it's not my wish to make this video so long or so delay like this. It's from my network. So this is it. As you can see, Google Studio here, this first one here, we tap on it so that it will open. And after we generate our voiceover from Google Studio, the next thing we are going to use is to use ChatGPT. CapCut, which is to use CapCut, and we use CapCut to match all our videos together using CapCut. But don't worry, I'm also going to show you how you are going to do that. So, and if I did not remember to show you guys, because sometimes I used to forget something in time, if I have not remembered to show you guys, you can watch my previous video. I've made video about that, how you can edit your videos, add transactions together using CapCut. All you just have to do is just to add all the clip together. You add the voiceover as the background sound, and the video is going to look very nice.